Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about the first Camaro that came out, and we've got an example of one right here, a 1967 Camaro RS Coupe. Give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition and the first year pony car for Chevrolet, basically a 1967 Camaro RS Coupe. Oh my goodness, beautiful Bolero Red car. You're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, a walk around. You'll have more information on this car. And if you want even more, you can click on the link in the description and it takes you right to our website where you have the pricing and all the rest of the information on this car, all the pictures as well. Plus, it gives you access to all of our close to 100 cars in our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we have cars ranging from the 1920s all the way up into the 1970s and beyond. And if you're looking for a collector car, be it your first or your 100th, we probably have something here that will intrigue you. Take a look at our website. You will enjoy it very much. But yes, 67 Camaro, one of my favorite year Camaros, simply because it's the only year that they had the vent windows, one of those quick identifying things, because a guy earlier looked at it and said, well, how can you tell it's a 67? Well, if they don't have a vent window, it's a 68. And a vent window, it's a 67. But yes, this was Chevrolet's answer to the pony cars that were produced by Chrysler with their, they had their Barracuda, they had, Ford came out with the Mustang, and Chevrolet was thinking that their Corvair was going to be the answer. Nope, they came up with a lot better plan when they came out with this Camaro. I'll tell you what, it is really a beautiful car. 327 Chevrolet motor in it, one of the best old V8 motors Chevy ever made. Plus, it's got nice extra features under the hood. It's a 4-barrel, so you got a little extra performance. You've got the power front disc brakes. You got power steering. It just has lots of that nice stuff that, you know, when you get right down to it, even if it's a little pony car, it's really nice to have those features for drivability, for parking. All that kind of stuff really helps when you get right down to it. We're kind of spoiled with our late model cars or whatever, but that's just one of the things that the collector cars, those are nice accessory options. The other thing, of course, it does have the radial tires with aftermarket chrome polished wheels, really nice radial tires, again being one of another big improvements for all these collector cars. Just goes down the road smoother, rides nicer, everything about it is just really nice. 67. The other thing about this particular one, someone ordered as what they call the RS, Rally Sport Package. Well, Rally Sport Package had interesting extra things like it's got the RS emblems on there. It's got the hideaway headlights, which is really a cool thing. It just makes for a meaner looking car in the back. It's got the wheel well lip moldings, extra chrome, all the things that make this a real RS. Now, as I said, Bolero Red, also brand new black vinyl top. Very nice condition. All the way around, this car is really clean. So take a look at those. Now, you can find all of our cars also on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Give us a like, leave us a comment or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. It'll have this car on there, our current inventory, and also some of the cars we've sold over the years past. So if you really like looking at old cars and whatever neat stuff, check out those websites and whatever. They would be fun to do if you're a car aficionado. But take a look at the interior. I mean, Camaros were, it was comfortable for 4 people to sit in. You could actually ride comfortably. You got the center console. They have upgraded one thing transmission-wise. It is an automatic, but rather than the Power Glide, they put in a Turbo 350. Little better transmission, a little more driver friendly, if you will. So anyone can jump in this car and drive it. You can give it to your daughter. You can give it to your wife. Anyone can get in this car. Drive to California if you want from here. Probably one of those cars, you could probably do it. But yeah, you got the black bucket seats. Nice thing is they haven't really changed much with the interior. Nice padded dash. The gauges are all original. They do have a couple accessory gauges just to, you know, give you a little more uptick as to what's going on under the hood, whatever. Aftermarket AM, FM cassette stereo as well. Listen to your favorite tunes. Now, dual exhaust, a rear spoiler, of course. You know, 67 Camaro. I mean, look how long Camaros have been around. They've been popular for many, many years. Even dual outside chrome mirrors for you when you can see yourself going down the road. So if you want to take a look at it in person, well, we'd love to have you come down to Ellingson's. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5, Saturdays 10 to 4. For those of you who like to see stuff in person, love to have you come down, take a look at this. And as I mentioned earlier, close to 100 classic and collectible vehicles in stock at almost any one time. Give us a call. We'd be happy to talk about it with you and give you all insights on current stuff, whatever. Check out our website again. That's www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Thank you for visiting. Thanks for watching the video, and we will see you next time.